I'm attorney Presley Henningsen with RSH Legal. There's nothing quite like riding Iowa's highways and back roads on a motorcycle. Whether you're riding alone or with friends, it's important to always follow Iowa's motorcycle laws. Here are 3 things that every Iowa rider should know before they hop on a motorcycle. Number 1, motorcycle helmets are not required by Iowa law, but they are encouraged. Although Iowa law does not require you to wear protective gear, we recommend that you always do. At least consider it. If you're involved in a motorcycle crash, this gear can save your life. Riders are more likely to suffer traumatic brain injuries and other life-threatening problems from a crash, especially if they fall off their motorcycle during the accident. Wearing a helmet and eye protection will lower your chances for a serious injury if you are in a crash. And eye protection helps prevent the crash from occurring in the first place. Make sure your helmet meets safety standards by checking for a Snell Foundation sticker on both the helmet and the box. The Snell organization runs safety and durability tests on helmets to make sure they can withstand a collision. If the helmet is marked with this sticker, it has passed these tests. Number 2, always make sure that your motorcycle has a working headlight. In Iowa, all motorcycles should have their headlamp on at all times. That's the law. But you can rest assured, if you're involved in a collision with a car, that car driver is going to argue you were very difficult to see. That's why it's important that you have a working headlamp and you know it was on at the time. You can prove this by taking photographs of your headlamp before and after the collision. And always keep your headlamp assembly after a collision, even if the bike is totaled. Number 3, don't just jump on your friend's bike. Iowa bike riders are required to have a motorcycle endorsement. Riding a motorcycle is much different than driving a car. There are specific skills to master that are specific to riding a bike. Because of this, the Iowa Department of Motor Vehicles requires you to add a specific motorcycle endorsement to your existing license or get a motorcycle-only driver's license. You may also get a motorcycle instruction permit if you are under 18 and want to drive a motorcycle by yourself. There are a few tests you must pass in order to receive this endorsement. These tests include a motorcycle knowledge test, a skills test, and vision screening. These tests will ensure that you have enough experience and ability to handle a motorcycle correctly and know how to deal with common emergencies if they arise. Just as riding a motorcycle is different from driving a car, so too are motorcycle crashes different from regular car accidents. If you've been hurt in a bike crash, you need an attorney who's experienced in getting Iowa bikers compensation for their injuries. RSH Legal's bike crash lawyers can help you. Call us at 1-800-433-0283 today. RSH Legal, fighting for fairness.